Today we're in northern Zionsville and we're going to visit an extraordinary home. There's so many special things inside. This estate is set on more than 13 acres. We're going to take a look. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle. As you approach the home, the architecture immediately stands out. The stone exterior, the arched entryways, and the level of craftsmanship. It feels like something you'd find in the European countryside. And as you step inside, it just opens up. You'll notice the arched architecture, the rich woodwork, and this beautiful spiral staircase that really becomes a focal point of the home. This is where design and function come together in a really special way. The main living spaces are designed for both everyday living and entertaining. With the grand ceilings, stone fireplace, and natural flow from room to room, everything feels connected yet intentional. What I love about the primary suite is how private and peaceful it feels. It's absolutely stunning. Set off to the side is a sitting room with a fireplace and its own private balcony looking out over the expansive backyard, the pond, and all of the surrounding nature. It's quiet, serene, and it really feels like your own retreat. The primary suite even has its own laundry room, and the bathroom is something you don't see every day. You have his and hers separate bathrooms, connected by this stunning, oversized circular shower. It's really a thoughtful design that elevates the entire space. And the kitchen, this is truly a chef's dream. You've got a full Thermador setup, sub-zero refrigeration, and double ovens. But what makes this home really unique is the separate pizza kitchen, complete with its own wood-burning oven. This is where hosting becomes an experience. This home even features its own basketball court. With over 13 acres, mature trees, and a private pond, this property offers a level of privacy that's incredibly rare, while still being close to everything Zionsville has to offer, and it's just a few minutes from the village. You have a private resort with a saltwater pool house, a spa bath, and beautifully designed outdoor living spaces. This is where you're going to spend your summers, host unforgettable evenings, and truly enjoy everything this property has to offer. This is more than a home. It's one of Zionsville's finest offerings. I'm Laura Heigl, and I can't wait to show you more of what makes Zionsville so very special.